हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स सी दिस क्वेश्चन. राइट द रिलेशन बिटवीन केल्विन स्केल एंड सेल्सियस स्केल ऑफ टेम्परेचर. सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें एक रिलेशन बताना है. इट मीन्स एक फॉर्मूला बताना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ केल्विन स्केल एंड सेल्सियस स्केल ऑफ टेम्परेचर. सो वी नो दैट एज अ की पॉइंट और की कॉन्सेप्ट, units of temperature. So normally we are using three different units as a units of temperature. First one is Fahrenheit, represented by F. Second one is Celsius, okay, represented by degrees C. Third one is Kelvin, represented by K. And this Kelvin is also SI unit. This Kelvin is also SI unit of temperature. Now, according to this question, we need to give relation between Celsius and Kelvin. It means C and K. So we have a relation between, okay, the relation between Kelvin and Celsius scale is temperature value on Kelvin scale. It can be represented by Tk is equal to temperature value on Celsius scale plus 273. So this is the relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale, where Tk is the temperature on Kelvin scale, and Tc is the temperature value on Celsius scale. So the relation between is this one: temperature on Kelvin is equal to temperature on Celsius plus 273. So I hope you all understood it. Thank you. All the best.